Do this every morning and look as if you were 21 years old. Aside from being painful, surgeries are very costly. Not all people have the money or the courage to put themselves under the scalpel to look younger, which is why there are other, much simpler, cheaper and less fearful methods. One of them is the one that we will give you to know in this video. Look what it is. In this video, we will give you the recipe so that you can look as if you were 21 years old, without the need for painful beauty treatments. You just need to mix some ingredients to prepare a wonderful solution that will make you look younger. Women are the main ones who want to look much younger whenever they can. They have a certain fear of getting old, so they always look for a solution to have fewer wrinkles, fewer gray hairs and less years. The ingredients in this recipe will not make the time, but they will improve considerably your appearance, making the aging less visible. Ingredients: 1. 6 tablespoons of rice flour. 2. 100 milliliters of pear juice. 3. 100 milliliters of cranberry juice. Elaboration: 1. Add the rice flour to the fruit juices. 2. Place in a pot and on the fire until thick. 3. Let it cool and then add some cinnamon and mint. 4. Now mix well until a homogeneous solution is obtained. 5. You should thoroughly clean your face before applying this mask. 6. Apply specifically in areas that you consider necessary and let it act for about half an hour. 7. After the time has elapsed, remove the mask with plenty of warm water. 8. You can keep it in the refrigerator and use it again as many times as you want. It is advisable to use it 3 to 5 times a week.